me see.
Open it. What's a blizzard?
It's something that's a snowstorm that's really, really, really cold.
What's gonna happen in a blizzard?
It will get bigger and bigger and bigger. They said a big storm that blew it off again. The snow is made out of water. You have to wait a little while. The water comes out of the clouds and it turns into snow. Blizzards have hair. A lot of snow gets on the floor. I'm gonna make a snow angel.
It's not an ice cream from Dairy Queen.
It's a snowstorm.
Snowstorm.
There